Do you know that every CCTV camera style is designed for a specific purpose? Yes. In this video, we will look at the different styles of CCTV cameras and their features. We will also look at where to install each style of camera to achieve the best results. In addition, we will see how to distinguish between an analog camera and an IP camera. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification button. Let's start with the CCTV camera styles. There are three major camera styles, and the first one is what looks like this, called the turret dome. The second style is what looks like this one, called the Vandal dome. The third style, as you can see, is what is called the bullet camera. Each of these camera styles have their specific features and hence their specific purpose. Let's discuss each of them into details, starting with the turret domes. Turret domes are also known as mini domes. They are basically made of a ball and a socket. And as you can see, here is the ball mounted in the socket. They are able to move freely when mounted on their base. The black portion you see is what is called the base. This is how they can be rotated when mounted on their base. They can be moved left or right, or anyhow that you feel. They are built as indoor cameras. As you can see, they are not sealed against moisture or rain, so they should not be installed outdoors. Quite apart from that, they have very short visual range compared to other camera styles. So the right location for turret domes is indoors. Let's now look at Vandal domes. These cameras are named after their circular dome shape. They are shaped in the form of a dome. Vandal dome cameras are housed in a hard glass covering that makes them vandal proof. Vandal domes are moisture and water resistant and can be used for both indoor and outdoor purposes. The view range of these cameras depends on the lens being used in the camera. Installing Vandal domes requires removing the glass covers, and this makes it difficult to install or mount Vandal domes. Next to look at is the bullet cameras. These cameras are also known as bullet because they look like a bullet shell. They are built as outdoor cameras, that is, they can withstand rain, moisture, and any other harsh weather condition. They have long visual range, and so also they have night vision ability and they are able to deter criminals because of their visible nature. But on the other hand, they are prone to vandalism. Each of the camera styles, the turret, the Vandal dome, and the bullet, can either be an analog camera or an IP camera. Here are the terminals of an analog camera, and typical of analog cameras, you will have at least 2 terminals, one for power connection to the camera and one for taking video from the camera. This is the video terminal of the camera. It has this connector called the BNC connector fitted onto it. This other connector is for connecting power into the camera. When you look at the IP camera terminal, you will realize that the video terminal has Ethernet connection port. This is what distinguishes an analog camera from an IP camera. So that in comparing an analog camera to an IP camera, analog cameras have BNC connector on their video terminal, whilst IP cameras come with Ethernet connection port on their video terminal. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn on your notification button. Thank you.